Today we're making the ultimate Chinese takeout style spare ribs. Yes honey, the ones with that sticky red glaze you low-key dream about at 2 a.m. Don't lie, I know you do. These aren't rib tips, boo. We're using 3 pounds of bone-in pork spare ribs already cut into individual pieces. Why? Because we're fancy like that and they cook more evenly. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. First things first, let's talk about this marinade. In a big bowl, we're mixing 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup. Yes, ketchup, don't fight it. 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. If you can't find that, dry sherry works too. This mix is giving sweet, salty, umami realness. Now for the flavor party, 2 teaspoons of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and if you want to go full takeout nostalgia, half a teaspoon of red food coloring. That's optional, but if you want that bold red look like the restaurant, you better toss it in. It's not a crime to be extra. Toss those ribs into the marinade like you mean it. Give them a good massage. Let them soak up all that goodness in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but overnight, chef's kiss. That's when the magic really happens. Once they're marinated and feeling themselves, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with foil. Pop a wire rack on top and arrange your ribs in a single layer like little kings waiting to be crowned. Or grilled, same vibe. Now bake those beauties for an hour and a half. But here's the tea, every 30 minutes flip and baste them with that leftover marinade. Keep them juicy, sticky, and irresistible. We're not serving dry ribs in this house. Absolutely not. After 90 minutes of slow roasting, turn on your broiler and watch the magic happen. Broil for 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they're caramelized, glistening, and slightly charred. You want that takeout style finish, baby, crispy edges and glossy glaze. That's the goal. Let them rest for 5 minutes. Yes, rest, like they just ran a flavor marathon. Then serve them up hot and watch everyone lose their minds. And if anyone asks, just tell them you ordered out from Kelvin's Takeout. They don't need to know your oven did all the work. Want to print this recipe, share it, or just stare at it a little longer? Head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe and more deliciousness you didn't know you needed. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button because your oven deserves more moments like this. Now go make those ribs and don't burn them. Unless it's your playlist, then go off.